Okay, so this video will help us learn Pink Panther, and this is an easier version of Pink Panther. So here is part one. Okay, so the first part we're going to start on low. So this is middle C, all the way up here. So you're going to count down 1, 2 C's, and you're going to play the C sharp, and then you're going to play F, G sharp, G sharp. All right, and so the first part is right. So you're just playing half steps. You're playing each key, kind of like stair steps, like that. Okay, and we can do a little better fingering if you want to. You know, maybe something like that. So practice your fingerings on that. So yeah, the first part. All right, then your left hand is going to play B, E, like that. All right, so and we do that 2 times. Okay, so let's try that all together and again. All right, there we go. There's part 1. Okay, so now we're going to look at part 2 of Pink Panther. So the first part was the do-do-do-do, okay? All right, so once you have done that 2 times, sorry, my music's falling over. Okay, the next time you're only going to play the left-hand portion of that. Like that, okay? And then you just hold that out, and then your right hand's going to do something different. Okay, so then the left hand. All right, when your left hand plays this, here's where your right hand goes, D sharp. All right, so it's coming from here and going to here. All right, so all together like that. That was kind of quick. Did you see that? I'll do it a little slower. So we've got doon doon, and then you're playing a D sharp in both hands, and then the E in both hands. D, E, like that. All right. And then, so you've got E, F sharp, G, like that, okay? All right. Really, you're doing that 2 times in a row. There you go, all right? And then the next part of this part 2 goes, here, I'll start at the beginning of that part. Dun, dun. C, B. All right, so let's try that again. 1, 2. All right, there's part 2. And here's part 3. So we landed on B. Here's where we are. All right, so then after B, we go. So it's E, G, B, B flat. Okay, but the rhythm is. Right? Dun, 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 dun. So when we play the B flat, we're going to play a C here in the left hand. So let's start on the B in the right hand. Now 1, 2. It'll sound kind of off a little bit because they're right, you know, the B flat and the C are right next to each other. So, all right. All right, so let's break down that part. So after your B flat and C, you're going to play your G, and then go A, G, E. So you're skipping the F. You're skipping F here. Like that. Okay, so let's start on the B up here in the right hand. So you've got B. Go. There's part 3. So let's play all of part 3 together. Starting on B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay. So then now let's play through the whole song, part 1, 2, and 3. Nice and slow. All right, there you go. You can slow it down and have fun practicing.